Have you ever wondered why you get so many baby bottle gourd fruits on your plant, but none of them mature into big bottle gourds? Well, in today's video, I will give you 2 important tips on how to grow bottle gourds successfully and turn your baby bottle gourds into big bottle gourds. Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Today is the 15th of June 2024 and finally my GCSE exams are over. And I'm really looking forward to my trip to Bangladesh tomorrow. It's going to be really fun and exciting. So watch out for the vlogs that we make in Bangladesh. I hope to make interesting vlogs. My first tip to grow bottle gourds successfully is hand pollination. Hand pollination is very important. So in today's video, I will show you how to identify male and female flowers and how to hand pollinate correctly. On a bottle gourd plant, the plant produces 2 types of flowers. A male flower and a female flower. This is how you should identify the flowers. This is a male flower. As you can see, the male flower does not bear any fruit on it. It only comes with the flower by itself. This is a female flower. It comes with a flower and it also bears a small fruit. In order for this fruit to develop and mature into a big fruit, it needs to be pollinated by taking pollen from the male flower and spreading it onto the female flower. Get a fine brush, something like this. I'm using a paintbrush, or you could use a cotton bud. Using the brush, get the pollen from the male flower by rubbing the brush onto the flower like this and capturing all the powder. And then rubbing the powder onto the female flower all around. This is one of the female flowers I have hand pollinated a few days ago, and I am really happy to say the hand pollination was successful. The fruit is growing. I can see it's growing bigger. Hopefully, if the weather is nice and warm, this fruit will mature and develop into a big fruit within 2 weeks. But unfortunately, I will not be here to harvest this one. I'll be out the country in Bangladesh on my holiday. But my brothers and sisters could have the pleasure of harvesting this khodoo. I could tell it's going to be a big one. My second tip for growing bottle gourds successfully. If you have too many female flowers on one vine, make sure to remove some. Not all of them are going to survive and they will take up unnecessary energy. And not all hand pollinations will be successful. Here is an example. I have hand pollinated these 2 female flowers the same time, roughly around 5 or 6 days ago. And this female flower over here, as you can see, is growing big. It's got a nice green color to it. It looks nice and healthy. It's been growing really fast as well. But this one, there hasn't been much movement or growth from this, and I can see it's starting to turn yellow. It's not a nice green color like the other one. This is giving me a sign that the pollination was not successful, so I'm just going to cut this off. Otherwise, this female flower is going to take up unnecessary energy, which can be diverted to this fruit over here so that this fruit grows faster. If you have hand pollinated your female flowers and after a week you don't see much growth or movement from the fruit and the fruit is starting to turn yellow, the hand pollination was not successful, so just cut them off so it doesn't take up unnecessary energy and the energy will be used on the other fruits. And remove all the dead male flowers. This is a dead male flower. As you can see, it's gone all brown. The flower has closed up. It has no use to us anymore and it's taking up unnecessary energy. So just cut these off. I really hope you found this video useful. If you have, let us know in the comment section down below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button. and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload. Stay safe, assalamu alaikum, and until then I'll see you in the next one.